critical thinking, and I can find out to find you in activity. I will understand the way and the idea of the society. I have been and present identifications and ideas and analysis Professor P.D. and Ravi from the Department of Design and Mechanical Engineering, including the areas and staff of the institution, should be clear in mission at the regulatory and technical function. Now we will take a video what is the responsibility